Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I have received a parcel and I've forgotten what coin I've ordered. So this video is just an unboxing video. So let me open it. Okay. So this is set of AKM 2024. 1 rupees 24, Mumbai, Kolkata, Hyderabad. 2 rupees, 5 rupees. This one, I think it is not minted, so that is why there's a gap here. I think so. So this is the coin set of AKM 2024 I have ordered, and this will be added into my collection. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and very soon I will be uploading informative videos about Republic Coins of India. Thank you.